Literally opening anything, to be completely honest. Particularly any kind of like makeup product, shrink wrap, anything that's like really small is really challenging.
I struggle with spraying perfume, opening up those awkward packets that where you've got little serrated bits at the top but you just can't get a grip. I struggle with opening medicines, myriad of things, a lot of food packaging in particular, where you have to actually grip a tiny little tab and pull. I find that very challenging. Also, ring pull cans, I find that really, really hard to do.
Everyday products would always be in the morning and also in the afternoon. So in terms of challenging products, it would definitely be milk. The weight of the product and the handle, I just don't feel like it is probably equipped for myself, and it's something that you use every single morning. Just opening that lid, and if it's not the lid, it's the carton, and I just find that really initial opening of it quite hard, as well as the weight of it. So that is something that I find really challenging. And then probably towards the end of the day, it is all about probably doing food prep and looking at the tins. So anything with that, what would you call it, like that round tab product of a long life tin is something that I find always challenging.
Cheese slices they're all in single wraps. It's very hard to find where you peel it open, and then I have to work out how to peel it back with one hand and then turn it over, peel it the rest of the way, and sometimes the peeling gets stuck on both sides.
Just about everything. Toothpaste, that's one of my bugbears. The latest toothpaste is a plastic container which you can't roll up and squeeze the toothpaste out of it. And then when you do squeeze toothpaste out, it pumps air back into it, so you've got no idea what's left in the toothpaste container. The other thing is my Webster pack. I can't puncture each container to get my drugs out with a lot of difficulty. I can get there. Any pills that are wrapped up, I just can't push them out of the medicine or the package they come in. I can't open any jars. The twist top jars that have a perforation, generally it's Vegemite, peanut butter, UHT milk, they are very difficult because you've got to break that seal. So not only do you have to open the jar, but you've got to break the seal. There are also small containers, I think it's mainly dips, where there's a little plastic tab that you have to open. Trying to find that tab in the first place is difficult, but then once you try and break it, that is also difficult. That's probably the main day-to-day issue.